Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful coaster. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. This coaster looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. It is a beginner friendly project. We have used tungsten stitch method to do this beautiful coaster. So now let's see how to do this beautiful coaster. To do this beautiful coaster, you are going to start with a magic circle. You are going to do tungsten stitch for this coaster. Next, you are going to do 11 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain and this is the magic circle. So you are going to do 11 chain. So after doing 11 chain, it looks like this. Next, you are going to work in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are going to do a slip stitch. Insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So this is what we say it as slip stitch. Next, you are going to do the tungsten stitch. You will be doing them for the rest of the chains. So insert the hook in the first loop. Yarn over, pull through that loop. Insert the hook in the next loop. Yarn over, pull through that loop. Insert the hook in the next loop, yarn over, pull through that loop. Likewise, you are going to do them till you reach the end. That is, you will be doing them for 7 times. Next, you will insert your hook in this magic circle, yarn over, pull through that loop. So totally, if you see, you will be having 9 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Next, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. 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 So after doing them, it looks like this. So this is the pattern you're going to follow for this coaster. So you'll be doing chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and do a slip stitch in this 4th stitch here. Next, you are going to repeat what we did in the previous round. That is, you'll be doing insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through. Insert the hook in the next loop, yarn over, pull through. Insert the hook in the next loop, yarn over, pull through. You are going to do this for 7 times. So after doing them for 7 times, it looks like this. Next, insert the hook in this magic circle, yarn over, pull through. So totally you'll be having 9 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Likewise, you will be doing them till you reach the end. After doing them, it looks like this. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for this coaster. That is, do 4 chain. Do a slip stitch in this 4th chain by taking this loop. So it looks like this. Next, you are going to do 7 times yarn over, pull through the loop by taking this back loop here. Next, insert it inside this magic loop, yarn over, pull through. You will be having 9 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, yarn over, pull through 2 loops till you reach the end. It looks like this. So you are going to follow this pattern around for 29 times. After doing them, it looks like this. Last, do chain 1 and extend the yarn little bit and snip off this yarn. Next, we are going to join both the sides like this. So you are going to join them till here. So after joining them, the coaster looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.